Health is wealth, and the whole world is behind one thing, that how they can live longer, how they can live best in their life without having any kind of diseases. But this is not easy, my friend. You know that there are so many implications. Even if you take one single allopathic medicines, many side effects are there. And that's where now the world is going from allopathic medicines to something which is more natural, which is more herbal, and Ayurveda and herbal extracts are some of the best cure which is available for the humanity. It was existing for long, but now the scientific world is also recognizing the value of this. So there is an opportunity for us to get started with a ready-made e-commerce business, which I'll be giving you, so you can get started with this plug-and-play business where we can export these herbal extracts and Ayurvedic supplements to the global market. And this will be a life-changing business for us, because I was doing my research and I was shocked to see the amount of sales Ayurvedic medicines are able to generate just on Amazon.com. That means people are getting results, and that's where there are repeat buyers. And this business is not going to stop. People are going to get fever, they are going to get diseases. There will be a lot of allopathic medicines they have taken, and there will be a lot of health effects which are negative. So, to cut those negative health effects, people want to make cure for those problems and side effects by Ayurvedic medicines and herbal extracts. And this is where these natural remedies will always be there in existence. And if we can start a business today, which I'll be setting it up for you, I am already doing it. That exact same process you can follow and start generating great amount of profits. Now let's explore this business opportunity together. So what you see here is my program, which is the plug and play e-commerce export opportunity. Here I'm going to teach you how to export Ayurvedic and herbal extracts using e-commerce. This will be a very profitable and semi-automated business. That means even if you're a working professional, you can still continue with this business opportunity as a part-time also, because you don't have to invest so much time. You don't have to open a shop. This is purely online and easy to do. So these herbal extracts, whatever you're seeing right now, we have suppliers for this. I'll give you the connects of the supplier. I'll also teach you how to find more suppliers which are listed in this. So these products we can simply list in marketplaces and we can start selling. But more importantly, what if I give you your own .com domain name, your own brand startup, and simply you get started with your own business directly, and that startup business that you do can become the next Mama Earth or such big brand which is having $1 million valuation. I want to see you successful. So along with whatever I'm giving you, I'm also making sure that you can do exports of these products, and that's why I'm giving you database of potential buyers who can internationally purchase from you in bulk quantity. So everything is a plug and play model. The store builder, the operations management, and the database, everything is included. So I'm going to give you guaranteed sales in e-commerce with my mentorship program, with the database and the store builder. So with all this training content that you are seeing are all 200 hours of very detailed, in-depth strategies and steps and processes on e-commerce marketing. And you will also get certifications which are government approved. The training is fully online and practical one-on-one support with lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support with about 20-25 mentors who are with IIC, who will be there to guide you. And we have been in news for very long, and with so many informations that you'll be learning, you will be learning a lot of things on an ongoing basis in different formats like video lectures and ebooks and white papers. We have been a fully accredited and affiliated institute with Ministry of Education, Government of India, and top companies like Amazon and Alibaba are also partners. I was jury at WTO. So with all that experience and whatever you are seeing right now in my media gallery, this is a proven strategy that is working for us. And I have previously worked with Alibaba Group and Amazon as the global director for their ATES and EGTP program. Other mentors are also there in IIC who are all successful people. Vinayak stays in Germany. He works in Bosch. He is working in Mumbai. He is an educationist with the government of Maharashtra. So same way, many successful entrepreneurs are there along with us who can be guiding you on an ongoing basis. So everything that you see here is fully accredited and approved institutions certifications. Since 2015, we've been operating. And what you're seeing right now is my own e-commerce store builder. I have done sales, and this way you can also do sales. I'm doing wholesale. I have got about 8,000 plus products. I will give you the store builder. You can list those products and start making sales in this. And I will also giving you the softwares and tools so that you can simply list those tools and start doing digital marketing and start generating sales. You can also customize the site. We have many themes in this. So now let's understand the business opportunity in detail. What you see here, this one product has got about 8,000 sales the last month at $25, 4,000 sales at about $38.59. So if you calculate, this itself is generating about a crore rupees in sales. Yes, of course, they're generating more than that because not one product someone comes with, they come with more product. For example, pure Himalayan Shilajit raisin, 20,000 sales at 34.99, approximately $35 into 20. That means $700,000 worth of sales. Someone just made 5 crores in this in the 1 month itself. That means if you can get started with a business like this, even you can do great amount of sales in this. 9,000 sales at $30. So Ayurvedic medicines are not just something which will be sold in India, that can be sold across the world. As you can see, this is Etsy.com, another e-commerce site which is global, where people from India export these products from India to the international market. If you see Lazada also, you see Ayurvedic supplements, which are Indian Ayurvedic supplements listed there. And 297 people in Singapore are buying this. So this is just one product. There are many, many, many. iHerb, Himalaya in Japan. Just think Himalaya in Japan. Satavari is getting sold there. Noon.com Dubai. With the same keyword, Ayurvedic medicines, you can see Shilajit Gold, Kapivas, Ashwagandha, 1500 mg, Fenugreek, Adar Relax. So all the Triphala powder. So if you see all these products, whatever you are seeing right now, 10 plus sold recently, 60 plus sold recently, 90 plus sold recently. So that means these are also sales figures they are showing. One thing is very good in this, like the business of herbal extracts and Ayurvedic medicines is never going to end. And once you get started, you will make great amount of profits. I'm giving you the ready-made plug-and play e-commerce store, which I have shown you, everything included in the single package. So mentorship, store builder, database of potential buyers buying houses, connect with them, start selling in bulk quantity, and also in retail sales through social media channels and marketplaces you can do. So this is a comprehensive business opportunity. So get started with this business today to transform your life and career with us.